Hello and welcome back to At Home with Anita Rosner. It is the fourth stop on our international tour. Today we are going to beautiful Ireland. Whether you're strolling her solitary and peaceful countryside with shades of green you'll never see anywhere else, or enjoying her beautiful cities and exciting nightlife, visiting Ireland will be an amazing vacation you'll never forget. I got in touch with my friend Mandy, who lives in Sligo, and asked her, what's the favorite food of your region or even just your family? And she said, Anita, it's all about the Boxty. Now, I had never heard of Boxty, but she said they love it. And it's a very simple recipe. It's made with potatoes, some flour, a little half and half, an egg, some salt and pepper. So let's get started. What we're just going to do is grate 2 raw potatoes, about 1.5 cups. 1 medium potato did the job. That's about 1.5 cups, which is how much we need. And 1 cup of leftover mashed potatoes. This is sounding pretty simple, right? Flour. That's 1 cup of flour. How am I doing so far, Mandy? Then we're going to just beat an egg with 1 tablespoon of half and half. Pour that right in and just stir the whole thing together. She told me it was easy. I didn't know it was going to be this easy. It's very thick and it's taking on a dough-like texture. I hope this is right. I don't want anybody in Ireland to get mad at me. That's very well combined. I don't see any dry flour pockets. And we're going to add some salt and pepper. I need more peppercorns. I used them all up when we went to France for our steak au poivre. And that was first stop on our international tour. If you want to see all the videos from International Week, you can check out the playlist. All right, this is done. Now we're going to take 1/4 cup of olive oil, heat it on the stove, and make our Boxty. Over medium-high heat, we're adding the olive oil to the skillet. The oil is shimmering, so I know it's hot enough. All right, I'm supposed to put the batter in and flatten it out into about a 2-inch disc. This is very thick. I sure do hope I'm doing this right, Mandy. I called them discs. They're patties. I beg your pardon. So here it is, Boxty. It is also sometimes called potato bread, and people in Ireland eat it for breakfast with bacon and eggs, or sometimes salmon and crème fraîche. You might also find them eating it for lunch with soup or sausage. Looks pretty good, so let's give it a taste. It's good. It's crunchy on the outside, tender and fluffy on the inside. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and come back again tomorrow because it's the last stop on the tour. We conclude International Week 2021 tomorrow. We've got to end with dessert, right?